Hey everybody, this is Brendan with Business for Chummies. In this video, we're going to be looking at converting a PDF document into an Excel worksheet. Sometimes you'll ask for a data table or some sort of worksheet, and the person you're asking for sends it to you in PDF. You grumble and grunt, you say, why did you do that? But you're stuck with this PDF file, and now you've got to get it into a usable format in Excel. And what's the best way to do that? So I actually looked at 13 different online free tools that will allow you to quickly convert a file from PDF to Excel. And in this video, we're going to be looking at my favorite tool. Now, just as a caveat, there are obviously other tools that you can pay for and download that do a better job, but I wanted to really highlight some of the free tools that are out there and available to you right now without needing to log in, to sign up, to pay for anything. You just kind of visit the website, convert your PDF file, and be on your way. So for all of the sites and applications that didn't make the cut, I still put some notes in the video description in case you're wondering if you're currently using one and you're wondering why I didn't choose that as my favorite. I kind of gave some notes on each one of some of the issues I had when I tried the different applications. So here we are. This is my sample PDF that I have, and in a second we'll show you kind of the Excel worksheet that this came from. So the very first section is a big data table, and then we get to um, a page here that includes um, some uh, some text cells that in the Excel worksheet that it came from originally had a wrapped cell. So you can see these two rows actually kind of went along with this one merged cell over here on the right. And so there's some formatting that we're expecting to happen when this gets converted to Excel that probably won't, simply because um, the Excel converters are going to see these as individual rows and probably move them over to other rows. And then on the last page here, we have a pivot table, and we'll see how that gets pulled over. All right, so here's our final results. Here's the Excel worksheet on the right that the PDF was generated from. So there's a big data table here, and because of the page margins, you can see the dotted line here. When this was converted to PDF, these different columns were moved down lower onto a different page. We then have the second sheet here that was converted. And we'll take a look at that. And then finally, we have the pivot table that was converted. And so here is on the left side the conversion. And what I used to convert this was just a simple website called investintech.com. And they have a small PDF conversion tool that allows you to convert PDF to all different types of file formats. They have this free web-based tool in addition to their downloadable paid software. But I really like this tool. Essentially, you just drag and drop your file here, and then once it's done, you download it, and you're able to edit it, and that's this one here on the left. So we're doing a side-by-side comparison of maybe what you would expect to see versus what was actually converted. So the data table itself looks pretty good. Maybe some formatting issues here with the sizing because down below it moved over the content from multiple pages, and so you have different widths for the different columns. But overall, the data table looks pretty good. A few small gaps here probably between the different pages, but nothing jumps out at me as being just outright unusable. And then the next section here, we have kind of our answer sheet page from the right over here. This is what the original one looked like, and this is where we got in our conversion. So it looks pretty good. It kept the columns intact, which is nice. So we had 3 columns here. We had the question column, the formula tested column, and the answer column. And those all stayed pretty well intact. Obviously, some of the content that was wrapping in the original in one cell here wasn't able to be wrapped, and so you see these kind of some of these cleanup items that you're going to need to manage by moving this content into this cell here and um, doing things like that. But other than that, it looks pretty good. Some basic cleanup that's needed and maybe some reformatting, but nothing too terrible. And then the pivot table turned out really well. So um, Obviously, Excel does some indentations on the pivot table for just your visualization, but on the left side, all of the rows and the data came over pretty seamlessly. So it looks great. Um, and so I think this is a really great tool. It allows you to quickly go and just upload your PDF file, convert it to an Excel, download it, and you're on your way. All right, that was a nice, quick, short video. Hope you learned something, had some fun. Don't forget to subscribe to Business for Chummies for other great videos, and we'll see you next time.